everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today we're going to be making easy lentil dal.
What you're going to need is 1.5 cups of red lentils. You're going to need a good tablespoon of the masala paste,
which we'll put the link to in the description box below.
You'll also need a tin of coconut milk, about 3 cups of water and some fresh coriander.
You'll also need a half a teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of chilli powder, 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne, 2 teaspoons of curry powder and half a teaspoon of salt.
And we're also going to add some lemon juice into this recipe. So
we've put our water and our lentils into the pan on medium heat.
And what we're going to do is we're going to let those lentils cook down until they're soft. We're going to put that onto a simmer so they just cook really gently. Put our lentils down. What we're going to do now
is we're going to add in our spices and salt.
And we're going to give that a mix round. We're also going to add in
a spoonful of sugar.
And we're going to give that a good stir around. Right, next thing we're going to add in is a tablespoon of our homemade masala paste. And we're going to stir that around. Do you want to keep stirring that, Cayenne?
Yeah.
Make sure that's all stirred around. And next what we're going to do is we're going to add in our coconut milk. So that's a whole tin of coconut milk. And keep stirring that. We are also going to add in, can I just take that one? Can you add in the lemon juice? So we've got it's about half a lemon there of juice. And we're just going to add in our coriander that we've already chopped. And we're just going to give that a stir up. And that is our easy lentil dal.
I hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. If you have, then please like it. And if you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe.
And don't forget to press the notification bell.
Bye!